So what exactly is NVIDIA providing for these car companies?
They're offering the whole package, the full stack of AI technology for autonomous vehicles. Everything from training the models to deploying them in the cars themselves.
It sounds like they're positioning themselves as the go-to AI partner for the automotive industry.
They are, and they're getting amazing results. Jensen shared an example of how they're using AI to turn thousands of real-world drives into billions of miles of synthetic training data.
Wait, so they're taking real-world driving data and then using it to create a massive amount of simulated driving data?
Exactly. It's like taking a road trip around the world millions of times over, all within a computer simulation. This allows them to train the AI on a much wider range of scenarios than would be possible in the real world.
That's a brilliant approach. It's like giving the AI a crash course in driving, but without any actual crashes.
Exactly. And speaking of pushing the boundaries of what's possible, they also unveiled their next generation processor for autonomous vehicles called Drive Thor.
Drive Thor. I love the name. What's so special about this new processor?
It boasts 20 times the processing power of its predecessor. It's an absolute beast.
So these self-driving cars are going to be packed with some serious computing power. But what about safety? With all this AI in control, how can we be sure these cars are safe?
That's a crucial question, and Jensen addressed it head on. He proudly announced that Drive OS, their operating system for autonomous vehicles, has achieved ASIL-D certification.
Okay, I'm not familiar with that. What does ASIL-D certification mean?
It's the highest standard of functional safety for automobiles. It means this technology has been rigorously tested and proven to be reliable in even the most challenging situations.
So it's like a gold standard for safety in the automotive industry.
Exactly. It's a huge milestone. And it really shows NVIDIA's commitment to developing autonomous systems that are both powerful and safe. But AI isn't just about cars and factories. It's also transforming the world of robotics. And Jensen had some really exciting announcements in this area as well.
Let's hear it. What's NVIDIA doing with robots?
One of the biggest challenges in robotics is training, especially when it comes to humanoid robots, those that are designed to move and interact with the world like humans do.
Yeah, I can imagine that's incredibly complex.
It is. Collecting real-world demonstration data for these robots is incredibly time-consuming and difficult. So NVIDIA has developed a platform called Isaac Groot to address this challenge.
Isaac Groot. Another great name. So what's the idea behind this platform?
It's specifically designed to accelerate the development of general-purpose robots, focusing on a technique called imitation learning.
Imitation learning. So
Yeah.
the robots are learning by watching humans.
That's the idea. Instead of painstakingly programming every single movement, robots can now learn by observing and mimicking human action.